What's going on? In this ManyChat template tour video, I'm going to show you a messenger bot called the Home Buyer. Now this messenger bot is for realtors and it gets people to opt in. It asks for their email, phone number, and then it asks them a couple of questions about what kind of home they're looking for, and then puts them into a follow-up sequence. First, before we jump into this tour video, I wanted to tell you about our free ManyChat messenger bot cheat sheet. So this is a 100% free PDF download. It also comes with a video walkthrough, and basically this covers the 11 crucial features that your ManyChat messenger bot must have. It's a free video, so if you want to get this instructional video and PDF download, all you got to do is go to bit.ly/MC cheat sheet. That's bit.ly/MC cheat sheet. Once you go there, you got to make sure that you're logged into Facebook Messenger because we're going to send it to you in a Facebook message. And then when you open up the Facebook Messenger window, just type in the word learn and then go through the steps to actually get the PDF and the video walkthrough. So now let's go ahead and jump into this ManyChat template tour video. All right, so we are here in the growth tool section. Now this template comes with a messenger ref URL growth tool, and it comes with a Facebook ads JSON growth tool. The Facebook ads JSON links with an actual Facebook ad, making that call to action. When they click on that, it triggers the message being sent. And then the ref URL, you can use it in emails, landing pages, all sorts of the places. And when they visit that URL, then it sends them this message in Messenger. Sometimes they get a login, things like that if they're not already logged in. So when they opt in and they get this message sent to them, here's the message right here. It's going to be this GIF of this bear waving hello. Now you can easily change this GIF to whatever kind of greeting GIF you want, or you can just delete it by clicking that red X right there. Then we have our insights and information just kind of guiding you on how you should position this message right here. And it says, hi, first name, are you ready to receive a free guide or your free guide and free listing consultation? Click the button below if you are ready. So we recommend to a lot of people that are wanting to get people to opt into your messenger bot to give away some kind of free digital download or some kind of free consultation or service like that. So if you're a realtor, we highly recommend to create a free PDF download and then give them a free listing consultation, things like that. So you deliver that through this message. So they say, yes, I'm ready, which starts the flow. They start this message flow right here. And the first question is, great, we'll just need a little bit of information. What is your email address? They enter in their email address. And then this GIF is sent to them, flipping open an old school phone, and it says, thanks, what is the best phone number? So that in case we need to reach you directly, they answer that question. A tag is added after they answer this question because now we have their name, number, and email. And when that tag is added, then you can set up your Zapier automation to pull this information and send it over to a Google spreadsheet, to you in an email, to your CRM, any place like that. And we have this tag being added because sometimes people don't proceed with answering the additional questions. So it's really good to pull this information as soon as it's acquired. And then after all the questions have been answered, which I'll show you in a few minutes here, then another tag will be added and then all the information will be pulled over to the sheet. So, right off the bat, that information is pulled just in case they didn't proceed with answering all these follow-up questions. So the next question is, great, so what's your motivation for buying a home? So in this question, you can easily change this text if these aren't the questions that you're wanting to ask. But with this question, it's kind of like, well, we're looking to move to the area, or we're buying our first home, or we don't like where we live, so we're looking to upgrade, we're looking to downgrade. So just kind of getting some general information about the buyer. And then we hit them with this little GIF right here just to keep things engaging, interesting. Putting some GIFs in between the questions is kind of a good thing to mix things up a bit. And then we say, are you selling your current home? So we get that information from them. And then after they answer that, they see this GIF right here, and they're sent this question: what location are you interested in for your new home? So ask that question, they answer that. Next question is, how many bedrooms are you looking for? They submit that answer. How many bathrooms will you need? They submit that answer. And then it says, okay, are there any other needs or desires that you have for your next home? So must-haves, basically. Yeah, we want a garage, we want a big backyard, we want it to, have a jacuzzi, a pool, whatever. So they answer that question, and then they see this GIF right here. It's moving day. How soon would you like to move? They answer that question. And again, if you don't like how all these questions are asked, you can easily delete. But just by hitting this red X button, you can delete some of the questions out of there, and you can easily change the copy to make these questions be whatever you really want. So after that question, it says, okay, last question, what times are best for you to view properties? And then once they answer this question, then a tag is added. Like I mentioned, this is the second Zap trigger. So this is going to trigger Zapier to now pull all of those answers to those questions and then send it over to a Google Sheet, to your CRM, to you in an email. I mean, once it's pulled with Zapier, it can really be sent in any way that Zapier integrates with. And then once they answer this, they are then subscribed to a follow-up sequence called the template, the home buyer sequence, things like that. So now I'm gonna jump over to the sequence side and I'm gonna show you what that sequence consists of. All right, so here we are under automation in the sequences. Now, as you can see, immediately they are added to that sequence and immediately this message is sent right here. Now, what you'll wanna do is you'll want to turn on and activate these messages. Right now they're all off, but first you'll want to edit them, edit the text, edit the images, all that kind of stuff. And then you'll want to flip that little switch there and turn it on. So they're sent this message after they answer that last question. Then this is the confirmation message. They're sent this little GIF right here. Again, you can change these GIFs very easily. And then they have this message right here saying, awesome, well, that's it for now. We'll be in touch. And here is that free download, that free digital download that we promised you. So then you link them over to wherever they need to download that digital download. Alternatively, if you wanted to, let's say you're giving them a PDF, if you wanted to actually allow them to download it right there from the message, then you can use this file button. So you would just click on this, add it into the message flow. I kind of would recommend against that because sometimes this takes a while, depending on how large your file size is. It may take a while if they clicked on, download now or to send that next message. It may take a couple seconds to load if it's like a 10 megabit file. So it really is just up to you if you want to just link them over to your download link or anything like that. So the next message in the sequence is going to be sent to them a day later. You can easily change this time frame to hit them 2 days later, a couple hours later, whenever the next time you want to follow up with them. And this next message is going to be delivering some value. So keeping top of mind, giving them a link to a blog, maybe a success story or anything like that, just to kind of touch base with them, remind them that they're still in your, thought process and everything like that. So they're sent this message right here saying, hey, did you know that property listings with aerial images and videos sell 68% quicker than properties using standard images? We have a ton of facts and tips for you in our latest blog posts, and then you can link over to whatever blog post you really want. That is just sample copy. We don't actually have a blog post written about that, but what you'll want to do is link them over to your different blog posts. This is just kind of to give you an idea. And then this copy right here is just insight into telling you what you should look to accomplish with this follow-up message right there. Now, the next message in the sequence, again, you can change this time frame, but it's sent 5 days later. And then again, we got this message where you can delete this, or just giving you a little bit of insight into what you want to accomplish with this message. They're sent this GIF right here. And then this message right here saying, hey, first name, we've been hearing so many of our clients about how much they love being able to receive text message updates on new available homes for sale. Check out John's experience right below. Talks about John's experience. How awesome is that? You can click the button below to read what others are saying about their experiences working with us. So you can get reviews. You can link them over to wherever you really want. The next message in the sequence is right here. Message giving you some insight. Got this GIF that's sending them. The cat grabbing some money. And then it says, hey, first name, do you want to learn our 5 latest tips on selling your home for the most cash? Click the button below to get these tips now. So basically, this is assuming that they have a home for sale. So if people are moving and buying a new home, chances are they get to sell their current home. So again, if you work with a lot of buyers like that are selling their current home and then buying a new one, this would be a great message for you. If you're working with first-time home buyers, then you may want to change this up to be more relative to first-time home buyers. So that is the follow-up message sequence that they get after their initial opt-in. Again, this message flow comes with 2 growth tools. You got your JSON Facebook ads growth tool, and then you have your Messenger ref URL growth tool. You'll want to tweak the copy and make sure that Zapier is hooked up. And when you purchase this template, all of that will be showing on the tutorial video, showing you how to set this up, how to set up Zapier, and everything like that. So again, if you haven't yet downloaded our free ManyChat cheat sheet, then head over to bit.ly, that's bit.ly/MC cheat sheet, to download the 11 crucial features that your ManyChat messenger bot must have. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.